Welcome back to Competitive Examinations channel. If want to get success in life, want to make your career in banking sector, then you are right place. You will get everything here. What do you want to know? Without doing delay, start with today's topic: understanding the pattern of descriptive tests for probationary officers. Before proceeding further, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In this video, we explore a strict overview of descriptive test. Basically, examiner are focused on vocabulary, grammar, strength of arguments with example, many more things. To clear descriptive test, you have to practice daily basis on various types of essay and letter. We will cover up all area of descriptive test to get success in competitive examinations. Let's start our topic. Breakdown of the descriptive test pattern. 1. Exam overview. Mode: online, computer-based typing. Duration: 30 minutes will be provided. Total marks containing 25 marks. Sections: you will get 2 options in essay writing and 2 options in letter writing. Topic choice is your, but 1 essay writing and 1 letter writing is compulsory to do. Language descriptive test is based on only English language. Qualifying in nature marks are considered for merit in some banks like SBI, but often used just to shortlist. 2. Sections explained. Essay writing: 15 marks. Topics: it is very important to know essay writing will based on which topic. Here, we are explored the strict overview of the descriptive test topic. Example of topic is like current affairs, social issues, economic developments, technology, banking, or abstract ideas. There is foundation for word limit. It is around 200-250 words you can write. In essays writing, bank examiner will check skills tested like content relevance, logical structure, grammar and vocabulary, argument strength and examples, clarity and brevity. We have provided you sample topics to understand the pattern of descriptive test. They are: role of artificial intelligence in banking, digital India impact and challenges, climate change and its economic effects. B. Letter writing: 10 marks. Types: now it is turn of letters writing. Let's talk about it. They are 2 types: formal official communication, informal personal letter. In letter writing, the word limit is around 150-200 words. Examiner will take test of your skills like correct format, salutation, subject, body, closing, tone, formal, informal as per the type, clarity and concise communication. Let's see the sample of letters writing topics. Formal: write to the bank manager requesting a loan. Informal: write to a friend giving tips on preparing for a bank exam. 3 important tips. Practice typing on a computer regularly. Stick to word limits, avoid too short or too long answers. Use paragraphs to structure your thoughts. Intro, body, conclusion. Avoid grammatical spelling errors, proofread quickly. Be balanced, don't be too critical or emotional. Informal topics. 4. Evaluation criteria. Criteria and description given below. 1. Coherence, logical flow between sentences and paragraphs. 2. Grammar and spelling, correct sentence structure and word usage. 3. Vocabulary, use of precise and varied words. 4. Relevance, sticking to the topic and not deviating. 5. Format for letter, proper layout of the letter. In brief, paragraph and sentence should not deviate, and illogical. Accurate formation of sentences and proper words usage are must. Use different and various words. Do not use same word and sentence again and again. Don't stray for the topic when you start letter. Follow the format or layout of letters. We will come with new exciting chapters. So stay with us and keep watching our YouTube channel Competitive Examinations. Until then, namaste.